In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen timeout in Windows 11. So let's get started. You can easily set how long your computer needs to be inactive before Windows locks your screen. First, right-click the Start menu and from the options, click Settings to open the Settings app. Next, click Personalization in the left-hand panel. Then click Lock Screen. Now under Related Settings section, click Screen Timeout. Next, under Power section, click Screen and Sleep. The menu will expand showing two options, one for when your device is on battery and another for when it is plugged in. Select the timeout duration you prefer for each option. So that is how you can change lock screen timeout in Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.